Brent Sermon here, Midlands Home Inspections. Inspecting a house out here in Bellevue today. Want to point out this window. Brand new install on the windows. Got the trim, everything back up on there. Just want to take a little bit closer look at it. Unfortunately, contractor installed the window upside down. So the track with the weep holes for drainage is along the top instead of along the very bottom. So definitely recommend getting a contractor to come in here and get the window here corrected, turned back around. Don't always believe the stickers that the manufacturer puts on. Brent Sermon, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.